What's going on, guys? Today I have the latest Echo Spot. Now this is the smallest Amazon Echo with a built-in touchscreen. This is the 2024 release in the Glacier White color. And in the front, it features a 2.8-inch touchscreen and 1.7-inch front-firing speaker. On the top, we have the volume up and down buttons, as well as a mute button in the center, and the microphones. On the back, we have the power port. And on the bottom, we have a nice silicone rubber pad. So that's pretty much a look for the exterior of the device. Let's go ahead, tear it down, and take a look inside. So to tear down the device, the first thing we need to do is remove the speaker grill, and it is held in with adhesive. So we're going to go ahead and pry up on it. And to pry off the front grill, I'm going to use a ultra thin metal guitar pick. And I've gone ahead and removed this once before, so it's a lot easier. You're going to use a little bit more force than I have here. And you can see the front is held on by the adhesive here and here. Now we can already see the speaker in the center. There is 4 Torx 6 screws holding the front in place. Go ahead and remove those. So once you have those 4 Torx 6 screws removed, the screen comes off a little interestingly. You have to twist it clockwise. So go ahead and peel up on the bottom here, and then we're going to spin the screen clockwise. And once you hear it unclick into place, you should be able to lift it up gently. And be careful because there is a ribbon cable behind the screen. And this is the screen here. And you can see this holds it in when you twist it into place. So that is it for the screen assembly. You can see the touchscreen is glued onto the housing. And let's go ahead and look at the Echo Spot. So here is the Echo Spot. We've got the 1.7-inch subwoofer / speaker built in here. And we have another set of 4 Torx 6 screws to hold the logic board to the housing. Let's go ahead and take that apart. And once those 4 Torx 6 screws are removed, we're going to undo the connectors. Now we should be able to peel up on the motherboard and gently lift it out of place, making sure you pay attention to the connectors. So here is the motherboard for the Echo Spot. And you can see the chips here, here, and on the other side. Let's go ahead and see if we can tear this down anymore. Let's go ahead and remove these 2 Torx screws. They also are a T6. To remove this housing, we also need to remove an additional 2 Torx 6 screws at the bottom. And now the whole housing should come out. And with the speaker out, we have the power connector here, the board for the buttons, microphone, and mute button located up top. And looking at the speaker here, this is the 1.7-inch speaker. It's held in by 4 Phillips screws. And the rest of the casing acts as a subwoofer. So for the last step, I'm going to see if I can remove this board for the buttons. And it looks like there is another hidden Torx screw. So here is the board for the buttons. You can see the mics and the buttons. And that's pretty much it with the plastic housing left and the power connector. So that is a teardown on the 2024 Echo Spot. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of this Echo Spot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.